Before you begin installing your turf for your pool deck, ensure there is proper drainage away from the pool. If you have a pool cover, place it over the water to prevent dirt and debris accumulation. After you have cleaned and prepared your pool deck base, lay out your turf to relax the fibers. Step 1. Cutting and trimming. Carefully cut the turf to fit the pool deck area, following the contours and curves. Use a sharp utility knife for clean cuts. Leave a small gap, approximately 1/4 inch, between the turf and the edge of the pool or any obstacles to allow for expansion and contraction. Step 2. Seaming. If multiple pieces of turf are required, use seam tape and adhesive to join them together. Fold back the edges of each turf roll and place the seaming material down, dull side up. Make sure the seam application area is clean. Lay down the turf edges, firmly pressing the seam area between both surfaces. Step 3. Edging. Now, you need to secure the perimeter. Today, we are using nails to secure the turf. Start by checking that the edges of the turf are securely attached and neatly trimmed. Consider using edge restraints or trim pieces for a clean and professional look. For the best results, use a carpet kicker to ensure it's tight around the perimeter before securing. Step 4. Adding infill. If using infill, choose a type that is suitable for pool decks such as acrylic-coated sand or other non-toxic materials. Consider the infill's heat resistance, drainage properties, and potential for staining. Spread the infill evenly over the turf surface. Use a broom or stiff brush to work the infill into the turf fibers. Step 5. Finishing touches. Remove any excess adhesive, infill, or debris from the pool deck area. Sweep the turf surface.